Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
And if you order one, it's delivered to your doorstep, and at the same time, by the cloud, the digital recipe is sent to the machine. So as soon as you press a button, it starts spinning, and it uses this new centrifugal brewing to basically control every aspect: the ground size, the amount of water, the temperature, and of course how fast it spins, how long it's being pre-welled. So Espresso, like I already explained, is super high speed, 6,500 RPM, a filter coffee, which this machine can also make. Zero crema, total black coffee is 1,000 RPM, but a much longer pre-welling and a coarser grind. Yeah, basically that's how you get the coffee exactly the way the roaster intended.
So for each coffee, it's actually a different recipe.
Exactly, yeah.
How long does it take to make the coffee?
The coffee, so the espresso is in double digit, like 10-20 seconds range. The filter coffee is much longer because of the welling, so it's in the 30-40 second range, but it's of course for a good reason. And as you can see, super nice crema layer, right? There you go.
Let's see how it tastes.
We of course.
So what do you think?
I haven't tasted it. It sounds great.
Can I show you what this is?
It's good. It's really good.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.